Hi, this is Pankaj from Creativo Pro team, and today we will be talking about Smush plugin and how we can use it to speed up our website. So let's install this plugin. This is the one from WPMU Dev. Let's activate it. Let's come to the settings. This is what you see when you install it for the first time. This is a setup wizard, and let's begin the setup. We want to automatically optimize new uploads so that whenever we upload a new photo, WP Smush will optimize it automatically. EXIF metadata is the extra details that gets added by the camera or phone in the photo. If you are a photographer, don't use this option. For all other users, use this option. Lazy loading means that when we scroll down on the page, images will load. This is very good for speeding up your website. But if you are using any other plugin for caching like WP Rocket, then don't use this option. Let's finalize the setup. This is the settings page. We will dismiss it. Then let's come to the images. If you want Smush to recheck images, then you can click here. And here is how we can bulk Smush. There is no option down here. Let's bulk Smush now. The problem with free version is that for every 50 images you will have to click on Smush again, and if you have a premium version, then you can bulk Smush thousands of images all at once. Now that all the images have been optimized, let's take a look at the settings. I'll refresh the page. So this image did not get optimized. I can bulk Smush again. It won't. There is an error. So the first thing is about automatic compression. We want to enable it. Then for removing metadata, if you are a photographer, don't use this option. Image resizing is very good. Most websites don't need a size larger than 1200 pixels. That's it. And it will show you that these files are more than the size. Now let's come to the directory Smush. If you have any other folder where your images exist, then you can choose them from here. Then comes integrations. Most of these are pro. Let's come to the lazy load. These are the files that will be lazy loaded. Output locations are these. You can choose the animation, how images will load, or you can choose none. Fade in is fine. If you want to exclude any page from lazy load, you can do so here, or you can add page slug, or you can use id class. Scripts for lazy loading will be in footer. This is recommended. Native lazy load is not recommended. Disable no scripts. Let's keep it as it is. If you want to disable lazy load, then you can do so here, but we will keep it active. CDN is pro. WebP is also pro. In tools, you don't want to enable this option. Then in settings, you can see some other options like how will data be deleted if plugin is activated or deleted. And then finally we have tutorials. Before you optimize images, I would recommend that you take a full backup with Updraft Plus. Let's bulk smush again now. WP Smush is creating new image sizes according to the new settings that we defined. And while this is running, don't close the window, otherwise this image optimization will stop. So this is how you use WP Smush. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, then please feel free to comment them below. We will be talking more about image optimization and how you can speed up your website, so please hit the subscribe button so you will get notified about our new videos. And if you have a slow website, then please feel free to book a free support call here. We will help you speed up your website. Thank you.